please subscribe the channel. Students, today we discuss about the next questions of the practice set 3.2 of the chapter 3rd Polynomial of 9th standard mathematics part 1st. The question number 4 is multiply the given polynomials. I have taken 3 sub questions here. Now first one is answer of the first one is so simple here. Multiply it, so take here bracket twice x into x square minus twice x minus 1. Then student, here is one term, you have to multiply each term by this one is, we get that here is twice x into x square, then this minus as it is twice x into this twice x, then this plus minus minus, then twice x into 1. Then the product is, look carefully, this is, the base is same, so you have to add these powers, mean that 2 plus 1 is 3, mean that 2 into x cube. Here is 2 2s are minus 4, x, here is power is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, mean that 4x square, and minus twice x. So that the answer is, the product of the first question is twice x cube minus 4x square minus twice x. Then the second one is its answer. Again so simple here. I have taken first bracket here x raised to 5 minus 1 into x cube plus twice x square plus 2. Then multiply each term of the first bracket to the second bracket. So I have to write here x raised to 5 another bracket x cube plus twice x square plus 2. Then minus 1 into again x cube plus twice x square plus 2. Student, then multiply this x raised to 5 to this we get here. We can directly also multiply here x raised to 5 into x raised to cube is equals to x raised to 8, because by using laws of indices you have to adding its powers, mean that 5 plus 3. I have taken right hand steps here, x raised to 5 into x cube, then plus this x raised to 5 into twice x square, plus this x raised to 5 into 2, then minus, changing the signs here, minus 1 into x cube, then plus minus minus 1 into twice x square, then minus plus minus minus 1 into 2. Then we get here, by using log of indices, x raised to how much? 8. Then this one is x raised to 5 into twice x square becomes twice x raised to 7. Then this is plus twice x raised to 5. Then this one is minus x cube. Then this one is minus twice x square. And this one is the minus 2. Now student, this is already in a standard form. So this is our answer. So I have to write the answer again here. Answer. The product of these two is x raised to 8 plus twice x raised to 7 plus twice x raised to 5 minus x cube minus twice x square minus 2. Student, then the third one is, here is also simple one like as this one. Answer, here is twice y plus 1 into, here is another one is y square minus 3y cube plus 3y. Student, this values of the first bracket multiply this second bracket, then twice y, another bracket is y square minus 3y cube plus 3y plus 1 into y square minus 3y cube plus 3y. Now student, then multiplying this twice y to this whole bracket, we get that twice y into y square minus twice y into 3y cube plus twice y into 3y plus by 1 we get that there is no change, 1 into y square minus 1 into 3y cube plus 1 into 3y. Then this product is twice 1 the twice and this is y cube minus this 3 to the 6 y raised to 4, then this one is 6 y square, then plus y square, then minus 3 y cube and plus 3y. Now student, here is one terms mean that these terms comes then minus 3y cube, then minus 6y raised to 4 plus 6y square plus y square and plus 3y. Then it becomes, when we are adding this is minus y cube plus minus minus gives the sign of bigger number. Minus 6y raised to 4. This addition becomes plus 7y square plus 3y. That is, the answer is, you have to write in descending order. So first I have to write as 6y raised to 4 minus y cube plus 7y square plus 3y is our answer. Okay, we take the next question. The next question is question number 5. Divide the first polynomial by the second polynomial and write the answer in the form of dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Student, very important question. One can be asked in your examination. Means that you have to divide x cube minus 64 by this x minus 4. So first I have to write the solution of such question is, first this x cube minus 64 I have to write this in index form. The missing term you have to take as 0 here. So I have to write here x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 64, because degree is 3, there are 4 terms. Okay, now then I have to take the division of it. So you will take here sign of the division. Here dividend is, this one is x cube minus 64. We write in index form, mean that x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 64. And the divisor is x minus 4. So we take here x minus 4. Student, I will take here rough calculation also. Now look carefully. When we divide it, then take the first term here and divide it by this variable. So I will write here x cube upon x, it becomes x square. So write here x square. Then multiply this x square and this bracket we get here. I will write again x square in bracket x minus 4. Then it becomes, look here, x square into x is x cube minus x square into 4 is 4x square. Then we have to write the terms below the like terms, mean that here is x cube, then minus 4x square. Student, all of you know that when in subtraction, the signs of the second equations where changes, so that this sign becomes minus, this becomes plus. Then we get that this minus and plus get cancelled here, means remaining here is plus 4x square, then remaining term is 0x and then minus 64. Student, again take this 4x square here, divide it by this x variable. This division becomes 4x. So I have to write plus 4x because here is plus. So plus 4x. Then multiply this 4x and this one is, we get here. Again I have to write here 4x into x minus 4 is equals to, this product is 4x square minus 4 4 are 16x. I have to write this here to below the like terms, mean that 4x square minus this 16x. Student, when we subtract here, the signs of the second equations again changes here, mean that this is converted as minus and this converted as plus here. Then this minus and this plus get cancelled here. The remaining here is plus 16x and this value is minus 64. Student, I again take this 16x, divide it by x, then it remains here 16. So here is plus sign, so plus 16 here. Now when we multiply this 16 to this x minus 4, we get here, this is 16x minus how much? 64. So write here below here 16x minus 64. Student, when we subtract here, then the signs of second equations where again changes, this is plus. Then this minus and plus get cancelled. Again this plus and minus get cancelled. Means that the remainder is how much? 0. This is our complete division here. So we write the answer in this form. Means that answer is, therefore dividend one, means that x minus 4 into question is this one, means that x square plus 4x plus 16 and remainder is here is 0. This is the complete division of the first question. We take the next question. The second division is that you have to divide this polynomial by this one is. Now look here, here is degree is 5 here, mean that there are total 6 terms, but 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 terms, and one term is absent here, so that its index, this is the standard form of this one is we write here, means 5x raised to 5 plus 4x raised to 4 minus 3x cube plus twice x square plus 0x plus 2 divided by this another polynomial is x square minus x. So student, I have to take here sign here. We have to divide it by x square minus x. The dividend is 5x raised to 5 plus 4x raised to 4 minus 3x cube plus twice x square plus 0x plus 2. Then look carefully, same again I have to take here the procedure. Here first one is 5x raised to 5, take here. First term is 5x raised to 5. We have to divide it by x square. We get that this one becomes 5x cube. Mean that in the question first term is 5x cube. I have to multiply this 5x cube to this one is. So I have to again write here 5x cube into x square minus x. We get here 5x raised to 5. Directly I have to take here minus 5x raised to 4. Then write these terms to below the like terms, mean that here is 5x raised to 5 minus 5x raised to 4. Student, all of you know that when we subtract here, then the signs of second equations where changes. I have to take here this as the minus sign. Then the signs of this equation second is changes. Then this 5 plus and minus get cancel. Then the next one is this addition becomes 9x raised to 4. Then we take the next term 3x cube. Now student, again take these terms, mean that 9x raised to 4. Then divide it by this x square. We get that this is 9x square. So write here plus sign, so plus 9x square. Then multiply this again 9x square to this x square minus x. We get that 9x raised to 4 minus 9x cube. Then we have to write below the like terms here 9x raised to 4 minus 9x cube. Student, again when we take its division, then the signs of the second equations where changes. Then this minus and plus get cancelled. Then this addition of these two is, means that subtraction of this plus 9 and minus 3 becomes plus 6 x cube. Plus 6 x cube here. Then next term is plus 2x square. Then we take again this 6x cube. Upon this x square, we get that here 6x. You have to write here plus 6x. Then multiply to this, we get that therefore 6x into x square minus x. It becomes 6x cube. X square into x is x cube minus 6x square. We write below these terms, mean that 6x cube minus 6x square. Student, again when we subtract it, then the signs of second equations where changes. This plus convert minus, this minus convert plus. Then this minus and this plus again get cancelled. Then the remaining is that the addition becomes plus and plus becomes plus 8x square. Then take here next term is 0x. So here is 8x square. We have to divide it by x square. Then it becomes 8. Then we write here 8. Then multiply 8 to this x square minus x. We get that 8x square minus 8x. Student, here is we write here 8x square answer here. The addition or subtraction between these two becomes here 0 plus 8 becomes 8x, and the next term is 2. Now student, then we take 8x divided by this x square, but when we look carefully, this is the remainder, this is the question. Divisor, means the divisor, the degree of the divisor is greater than degree of this remainder here. At that time we cannot divide it, so that this is our remainder, this is our divisor, this is our question, and this value becomes our dividend. So we write the answer in full sentence here. Therefore dividend is equals to divisor into question plus remainder. Here is dividend is this value. I have to write this total value here. 5x raised to 5 plus 4x raised to 4 minus 3x cube plus twice x square plus 2 is equals to, the divisor is here, x square minus x into, the question is, here is 5x cube plus 9x square plus 6x plus 8 plus remainder is, here is remainder 8x plus 2. Can you understand this? Very, very important question. Okay student, we take the last question of this practice set 3.2, question number 6. Write down the information in the form of the algebraic expression and justify it. In that you have to write the answer also. There is a rectangular form with length twice a square plus thrice b square meter and width is a square plus b square meter. The farmer used to square shape plot of the farm to build a house. Mean that there is a square shape plot. From this length and width we use here to build a house. The side of the plot was a square minus b square meter. What is the area of the remaining part of the farm? So simple question. Look carefully. Is answer is, here is the length of the farm L is equals to how much? Twice a square plus 3b square meter, and breadth we take as b is equals to a square plus b square meter. Now student, then we have to find out the area of this rectangular farm. Therefore area of rectangular farm is equals to length into breadth. Mean that is equals to, I have taken length is twice a square plus 3b square into breadth is a square plus b square. I have to multiply the first term to this second term. Mean that first bracket to the second bracket. So twice a square in bracket a square plus b square plus 3b square in bracket a square plus b square. Student, directly multiply by this twice a square to this whole bracket. We get that twice a raised to 2 into a raised to 2 becomes a raised to 4, because by using log of indices you have to adding its power here. Then plus this one is twice, this is a square and this is b square. Then multiply by this one, we get that plus 3, here is a square into b square. Then plus 3 b raised to 2 into b raised to is b raised to 4. Then student, we have to adding these to 1. So we write here is equals to twice a raised to 4. This addition becomes 5 a square b square plus this is 3 b raised to 4. Now student, we cannot change it, so that this is our area of rectangular form. The unit is square meter. Take as equation number first. Okay. Then student, here is the formula used. The area for square shape for the plot to build the house. Mean that the side of the square is given here a square minus b square. So we use here the area of square shape plot to build a house. House is a square. It means that the formula for it is a square. There is a is given. A means side. So we take here side square. This side of the plot is given here. Means that a square minus b square raised to 2. Means that we take the product 2 times here. Or directly also use the identity a minus b bracket square. We can use here identity. Okay. Means that this identity is a square minus twice ab plus b square. So I would write here a square means a square raised to 2 minus 2 into ab, means that a is a square into b is b square, then plus the b square, because this identity a minus b bracket square is equals to a square minus twice ab plus b square. We use this identity here. Then this value becomes directly I will write here a raised to 4. This minus twice a square b square. This is b raised to 4. Now take as bracket. The unit is here area of the square in that square meter. Suppose that this is equation number here second. Now student, we have to find out here the area. What is the area remaining for the plot here? So area of the form. Therefore area of the farm excluding the area of the plot where house is built. Is equals to, we have to take the subtraction here. From this area of rectangular form, we have to subtract this area of this square shape plot. So I have to write here is equals to, this one is twice a raised to 4 plus 5 a square b square plus 3b raised to 4 minus this one is a raised to 4 minus twice a square b square plus b raised to 4. Reason is that from first and second. Student, this minus sign changing all signs of this bracket. So I have to write here twice a raised to 4 plus 5a square b square plus 3b raised to 4 minus a raised to 4 plus twice a square b square minus b raised to 4. Collect the like terms here. So first I have taken twice a raised to 4, then this minus a raised to 4, then plus 5a square b square, then plus 2a square b square, then plus 3b raised to 4 minus this b raised to 4. Then take the subtraction of the like terms here. Mean that from these two we subtract 1, mean that is a raised to 4. Then is 5 plus 2 becomes 7, a square b square. 3 minus 1 becomes 2, mean that twice b raised to 4. Now student,